How to delete X or Twitter account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there is no option or feature to delete the account on the X app. However, we will be using an alternative solution that will get the job done. So go ahead and open up your app. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left. Then click on the settings and support drop down at the bottom. Then click on settings and privacy. And here on this page, click on your account. And then click on deactivate the account. Now, you should know that when you deactivate your X or Twitter account, the account will be hidden for 30 days. And once that 30 days has been passed and you did not reactivate the account will be permanently deleted, which is what we want. So all what we need to do is we need to deactivate the account and not open it for 30 days. And after that 30 days, the account will be deleted. So click on the red deactivate option at the bottom. And here you just need to enter your password and click on deactivate at the bottom right to confirm. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete your X or Twitter account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.